When it comes to learning and development, scientist Robert Brinkerhoff found the following insight. If you do a learning and development measure or initiative without any transfer effectiveness tools, normally out of 6 people, only 1 person consequently will implement what they learned. If you add transfer effectiveness tools and measures, then you can shift from 15% of a group who is in the learning and development initiative to 85% of a group who really will apply what they learned. There are many approaches out there how to support this transfer effectiveness. And one of these approaches are the 12 levers of transfer effectiveness by Dr. Ina Weinbauer-Heidel. 3 aspects are particularly relevant when it comes to applying the 12 levers. If you really want to make a learning and development measure effective, first ask yourself, how do you support the participants to implement what they learn? Second, how do we shape the training design in order to make it easy for the participants to really apply what they learned? And third, and this is maybe for some organizations the most interesting and most challenging thing, how can the organization support the participants that they really can apply what they learned in a training or in a coaching or in any other learning and development initiative?